Hello everyone, and welcome back to another art process video. Today I'm going to explain my process behind this painting based on the prompt, Path to the Land of Light. So as always with this type of painting, I start with my thumbnail sketches. I decided to work with grayscale to start this painting, so that I could better focus on the composition, as this is something I'd like to improve on. Once I decided on the thumbnail I wanted to go with, I blew it up to full scale and started refining it a bit, before using a gradient map to add colour in. Using a gradient map in this way is a really effective method of getting colour into your painting early if you've started with grayscale. I used reference quite heavily for this painting, mostly for the clouds, as I feel like they're a really important part in drawing the eye into that central focus point. When I say I use reference, what I mean is I'm using it to inform my own creative decisions. I'm not straight up copying from a photo, but I'm looking at them to understand how clouds form and how lighting affects them, so I can create clouds in any shape that I want and have them grounded in reality, which creates a much more believable painting. A good method of gathering reference is to create a mood board, which is a nice collage of photos and images that you want to use to inspire whatever painting you're creating. The shapes and forms I create can then be used to better inform the composition. In this one, for example, all of the clouds are generally leading in the direction of the focal point, showcasing the path which leads towards the land of light beyond. I used an add layer to create some really nice glowing atmosphere in this painting, which I think worked really well to create this more ethereal mood. It's great when you can nail the composition in the thumbnail sketch phase, because then you can spend the rest of the time focusing on refinement, adding texture and colour, leading the eye in really interesting ways, and focusing on any details you want to add. I'm very pleased how this painting turned out. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.